Are you tired of living in a place where the only form of natural light is your neighbor's headlights? Well, say no more to the cave life. This is 8211 Station Village Lane, Unit 1111 here at the Lido, where the only drama you'll be worried about is whether you're going to the pool or the hot tub. As soon as you step inside, you're hit with this bright, open floor plan. It's so open, I might even call it emotionally available. And check out this kitchen. We have granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and so much cabinet space you can finally stop putting your cereal on top of the refrigerator. The primary retreat is huge. Enough room for your bed, your dog, and your existential crisis. You name it. Dual vanities mean never fighting over sink space again. That toothpaste blob is a thing of the past. Private patio? Yes, please. You can have your morning coffee, afternoon emails, or pretend to read on the patio when you're really just scrolling TikTok. We don't judge. Outside the unit, the Lido is serving serious resort vibes. We have pool, spa, fitness center, and clubhouse. It's kind of like you're living at a day spa, just less woo-saw and better Wi-Fi. And Mission Valley's hot. We got restaurants, shopping, the trolley, and more Target runs than your wallet can handle. The Lido Unit 1111, it's stylish, it's central, and it's just the right amount of bougie. Whether you're a first-time homeowner or looking for your second home oasis, make sure to reach out to us today.